San Antonio is about an hour and a half drive or 80 miles from Austin, Texas, and is a perfect weekend getaway if you are in Austin. San Antonio is a major city in south central Texas with a rich colonial heritage. The Riverwalk is one of the tourist attractions and is a must visit place if you are in San Antonio. The mile-long Riverwalk is a landmark pedestrian lined with cafes and shops. The $10 boat ride in San Antonio is the best money you will spend there. And if you're there during Christmas, the ride is just awesome with perfect lighting all along the river. The Riverwalk is over 15 miles long in total, but the tour focuses on just the downtown loop, which is about 2.5 miles. The narrated river cruises are about 35 minutes long, and your guide will share historical and cultural tidbits with your group while keeping things light and humorous. The best time to visit San Antonio is from November to April, and December being the best as you can see the Christmas lighting late in the evening.